ate. Let's count the pencil. Okay. Sige na. Ari na tanaw. Dali na ate. Okay, you count the pencil ate.
Here.
1.
Yummy, yummy.
Oh, sige na. Oh, dali na. Count na rin. 2. 4. 5. 7. Okay, 7 pencils. Okay, you write number 7 here. Like this. You write number 7 here. Like this. Like this. You write here.
You want water? Cold water?
7. Okay, next. Crayons. Okay, count the crayons, ate.
How about milk? Later na lang mo.
5.
Speak properly.
5. 6. Okay, 6 crayons. Okay, how many crayons? 6. You write crayons, Ari, ate. Ate, sige na, write crayons. 6. Like this. Number 6.
I see.
Dili na, ayun na, pencil
Love you.
na.
You want spaghetti? Here it comes.
6. You write here. 6. Like this, oh.
You like it?
Okay, sige na kayo. Almost done na. Sige na, ate. You write number 6 na. Hungry na makaka. 6. Like this.
Here.
Right here. Okay, very good. Now, let's count together the pencil and the crayons. This is 7 pencils plus 8, 9, 10. Next. Uy, maligo ra ka. Sige, again, be. 8. Ate. 9. 9. Ari, tanaw ba? Watch here. 10. 11. Oh, 13. All. So, you write number 13 here. Like this, oh. Mulagi. Kinahanglan man ang siran diri. 13, like that. Oh. Naha, you write here.
Okay.
13.
It's cold, yes.
Hindi isumpay like this. Sige na, kay ko ni wakin. Faster na ate. You write na 3. Ate, sige na. 3.
Wow. You see me too.
Okay, next, let's count the fan. Okay, fan like that. Oh, fan. Okay, let's
Open
count.
mouth.
Sige na.